Good morning, good morning. So today it is Saturday, December 19th. I am 11 weeks and 6 days, but probably basically 12 weeks because I'm like 2 days ahead according to the last ultrasound. So we're getting another ultrasound today.
Hey.
The baby should have his fingers, his toes, his limbs.
That baby, little baby.
Like he's moving around, so we're super excited to see the updated images and to see how he's doing. And we brought Pup with us today. Are you
Big
excited?
bro,
Yeah, I'm
big
really
bro up in the house. Hey.
Yes. So we will show you everything in the ultrasound. I'm going to get a screen. So stay tuned. Oh my gosh, he's so much bigger. Oh my gosh, he's so much bigger.
See the heart,
Wait, where is it?
legs,
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Jeez.
head, arms. You see the fingers?
Wait, yeah.
You see? It's like holding your wrist like that.
Yeah. Wow, you can see his brain.
Let's listen to the heart.
Honey, look at honey, look at
160. Good.
He's chilling in there.
So this is the brain, the top of the head. Can match. Oh, it's moving. Okay.
So this is like the top of his head.
Top of the head. The belly right here.
He's eating good.
Legs.
What is that like?
The bottom. I'm trying to see the gender.
Okay. Yeah, he's just like hanging out down there.
He's got his legs kind of crossed.
Yeah.
Kind of resting.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, I feel like
Hello.
sleep. What do you think, Pup?
Crazy.
Oh, he's kicking his feet. Oh my gosh, look, he's kicking his legs.
He looks so tall.
He's stretched.
Oh, he's stretching.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, he's stretching. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god, you can see like his little facial feature.
I
right
know, that's
there.
what I'm trying to get.
Okay, he's starting to stretch. Oh my gosh, this is like amazing. Oh my goodness.
That's a good one.
So we just all got to see our new baby boy stretching, wiggling his arms, his feet, his head, big, strong. He's actually 13 weeks. He measures at 13 weeks. So this was Pup's first time seeing an ultrasound. So how was the experience?
It was actually really cool. I mean, I'm excited. And he's actually like, was he bigger than me when I was,
Y'all about the same size.
yeah. It's surprising that how big he's got over like the past 3 weeks. So I'm just excited.
Yes, he's gotten so big.
Hey, well, you know, I breed them big, you feel me? Big, strong, athletic. That's what we do.
So yeah, I think he's definitely gonna be tall. He's definitely gonna be athletic. He's gonna be healthy. But so far he's looking absolutely amazing, and I just cannot wait to see his continued growth. I think I'm actually starting to show, which you'll see in the picture. Well, actually last week I wasn't really showing, but I'm starting to show now, so I'll show you that. And I haven't really had any symptoms, still tired, a little bit of constipation, but that's all normal. So we're super excited, so we'll see you in the next video.